Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to log out of FreeCash using a PC. Let's get started. First, open any browser on your computer, go to the FreeCash website and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, look at the top right corner of your screen. You will see a profile icon or profile picture. Tap on it. Once you are on your profile, tap on settings. A drop menu will open. In this menu, look for the option that says log out or sign out. Click on log out. After clicking it, FreeCash will automatically log out. You will be taken back to the FreeCash homepage or login page. This means you are now safely logged out. And that's it. That's how you log out of FreeCash using a PC. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.